What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to optimize your page SEO so the page can rank better in search engines like Google, for example, using Yoast SEO plugin. That is one of the most used and downloaded WordPress plugins that you can use for free and download for free on wp.org, and Elementor WordPress page builder. Some time ago, it's pretty hard to use Elementor and Yoast SEO because the Yoast control panels that appears on the page metadata used to appear in the page backend, and the Elementor page editor used to appear in the page frontend. And the plugin developers, thankfully, they have worked together to integrate both plugins. So now, if you go to any page that you have created using Elementor, click on the page, click on the blue big button to load the Elementor page builder editor, and now click in the top left corner hamburger menu icon and click on Yoast SEO. So you can see the SEO status, apply your focus keyword and do the optimization. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for another Elementor tutorials and how to use Yoast SEO and optimize pages using it. Another important thing that you can do using the Yoast SEO plugin on the Elementor editor is check the page readability directly in the front end, so you can see how good you write your content for search engines, and the number of headings with the focus keyword, the external or internal links, and other things that Yoast helps you to optimize your page. Another nice thing that you can apply is an special image for Facebook or for Twitter using the card dimensions for the social networks for your website, and you can apply it directly in the front end using Elementor. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes with full compatibility with both of these two amazing plugins, Yoast SEO and Elementor Page Builder. And I see you later. All the best!